Hello and welcome. I'm Jenny Hall. I blog at jennyhalldesign.com. This tutorial for Splitcoaststampers is featuring glossy white paper plus Brusho crystal color mixed together with rubbing alcohol in a spray mister. The project starts by having some pieces or scraps of glossy white paper, and I've placed them on a paper towel to collect any of the runoff of the alcohol or fluid. Once I've spritzed on some of the alcohol, and it's not diluted, it's straight from the bottle, then I'm tapping on some of the Brusho color. This bottle is featuring the red color. Sprinkle it on and just watch it bloom. Sometimes tapping on the bottle from the bottom will help the powder to come out just a little bit more quickly. I'm adding it around, but trying to make it even so that when the color blooms against the alcohol, then it will give a really nice organic and unique look. If need be, add another spritz of alcohol and make it a little bit more melty. So here is the same process again, but on a larger piece of paper, on the same glossy white paper. This time I will shake on some of the green color, and I'm going to make this one much more intense. So I'm adding quite a bit of the green powder, and it starts to bloom immediately. The look of the glossy paper is different from cardstock as it doesn't soak in as quickly, and it allows for the alcohol and Brusho to react chemically together, and then it gives a wonderful unique look. It's just very, very unique and organic. I really like this process. So the paper towels are here to collect any of that runoff, and I'm adding even more of the sprinkles just to get it more intense. And immediately you can see where the color is going to need to be added if you would like to have a solid piece for your technique. Sprinkling on more powder and adding just a little bit more of the alcohol. I'm spraying it at a higher level to make sure that the force of the alcohol spritzer does not move the pieces of the powder away. Be sure that you completely dry the paper naturally or with a heat tool before using the panels for a card making project. I'm stamping with Versamark and using some gold embossing powder to use these panels for stamped die cuts. I feel that the embossing really adds a little something extra. Using this technique with the embossing together is just kind of putting it up over the edge and creates a very beautiful and unique looking flower. The leaves are going to nestle in under the flowers, and I've done some stamping in the background, and this is a very quick card to put together. The fun part is the technique, and you can use any color combination possible with the Brusho. You can use a full piece of the glossy white paper and make a very large panel to feature as well. Here is a close-up of the flower. Thanks for joining me today.